Karbi Anglong along tay International Literacy Day Catalan College kidun at haroy asami ang bong quiz kachepati kibi. Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council Chairman Tumpreng along Art Gallery Lapen Museum upon Long Ikisom. Assistant Director Handloom and Textile aside po tum sayamo chibikok si kirembort ke patu turjo. Cardo nilikar beber datamang thari chisong tero number tang ton pen arjik tham. ABVP Karbi Anglong Division pen chitini pai nerkep arni lurulang so rangsina sarpo culture whole along International Literacy Day Catalan arni along pachiton dun pen hiniang deng all Karbi Anglong and Art College quiz la pen extempore speech kachipati bipon. Creating a competition environment among student pu athipi alampen kibipon hiniang deng all Karbi Anglong and Art College quiz la pen extempore speech kachipati along baithalang su Samson Singh T College Dipu Government College, Renuka Tirangpi Memorial College, Singkiri College, Eastern Karbi Anglong College, Kotbili College, Rukasen College Kecharya Thare Assam Yetum Chepatedun. Quiz Kachepati Amo along Umor Ingling Lapian, ABVP West Karbi Anglong, Amaipu, Waisong Tokbisi, Pachunpon.
Hini yang dek mate second all Karbi Anglong inter college quiz and extempore speech competition pidi padu bomlo apen lapang su second yang dek mate hini yang dek all Karbi Anglong inter college quiz and extempore speech competition along nang se tongdun lake Dipu Government College in Vendatulo Rimuterampi Memorial College Singkiri Junior College Rukasen College Eastern Karbi Anglong College Kotbili College Samson Singh 80 College, Lapen Thonglong College, Labang Su quiz competition on quiz master Labang ke more England, Lapen Waisong Topi Tumelo, and Parta Nilitum Labang Su extempore speech competition. Judge Nilitum Dipu Government College, Assistant Professor Department of English, Dipu Government College, and Megimam Panda Supalo, and Parta Nilitum Eastern Karbi Anglong College along History Department along Assistant Professor Mondosar kami nilitum jasa isap la bang bahnia bang ko di depan nilitum cupapon ma.
Extempore speech amo bangki Dipu Government College athan bang Megi Kathar PC Pachunpon lo. Assam University Dipu Campus Pro VC Sivasi Biswas Eastern College athan bang Mondol Tiron atum sayemo long chetong dunpen kehaya bang pubang pie tumapan nong e alu pachirpon. Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council Chairman Horen Singh B. Chitini Pioneer Cap Arni Tumpreng along Art Gallery Lapen Museum Ahem Kikim Japan Long E Kisompon.
West Karbi Anglong Adonwari Tumpreng along Arts Gallery Lapen Museum Ahem Kikim Japan Chitini Pioneer Cap Arni Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council Chairman Horen Singh B. Arideng Pen Long E Kisompon. Lapen Ahem Kikim Kepangcheng Japan Ing Haping Pupon. Laso Ahem Kikim Japan Work Sasai Kam Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council Apansi Aphadeng Patangpon. Dipurong Supelong Kido Assistant Director Handloom and Textile along Chokamaratum Mitangasai Kamalong Asai Mochibi Koksi Sai Hemateng no along Kerembort Kepatu Thorjo. Pinangarni pen setami Bangso Sai Hemlong Sai Podum Lapusonsi Sai Hemateng no along Kerembort Kepatu Theklong. Lasonsi Chitini Pioneer Cap Arni Katis Aperangketum Kahomri Damahut Assistant Handloom and Textile Sai Puabang P Atum Sai Hemlong Mitang Keklem kidam nang jia saimo chibi kokpen kerembort ke patua bangsi theknam long. Lapusona saya bangke vok culture putong pupuma mate game culture putong pupuma mate sai hemalong keklem kidam nang jia sai kawi ong tong lapuson paturong ma puta mathapot nang kok. Bang sopor hot assistant director Moheswar Kalita Pan Perangke karjupona hot kaningje pona tengke malom sopor hot patuponta henone sita Patuare ripu abatai pudera pita arjuje dedlo pusi ningje.
Unar officer honmukhot je dia hodai mane carom board kheli thake. Tontor ki belek bahare kam nai ni officer kam.
Etu to hoy khelibo nalage tolo mo koisu
mane etu barbar nahi ami hodai ahu kintu dekhu enekwa apuni eku instruction dia nai ki je hotar kam koribo
mo alabo kodan borobok mati koisu je etu to beya kotha ase kabar jodi kam nai alop rest time khelibo pare alop kintu enaka khelibo mana koisu
Tangte Lapsona side
kepang kre puthak Carbing Long Termas Council EM Roton Teron pen latuma phan langding poma camera person Stefan Teron pen Ratis Rongpar Cat News Difu India long Narendra Modi Prime Minister Nangman Detpen Det Piang Kanglong Interior Kedo Kithak Japan Swast Bharat Abhijan Asai Deng Ponsi Keter Kera Demalong Karko Karpek Asai Deng Pensi Kepang Terasai Deng Ponlo Lason si Carbing Long Termas Council ay hinpen setame Sorkar Asai Hem School College Pendanglong Rongrop Arlo Interior Pen Dothak Nanjipura Clean Carbing Long Mission ay hinpen along Kepang Terasai Deng Ponlo Lasona Porohut Dipu Pen Mentila Kedamator Arailong Kido Executive Engineer PHE Dipu Rural Water Supply Division Asai Hemarlo along Amasi Hormuketer Kevaradim Pinchongdet Anpindo Langdam Puluti Sai Hemathengno along Dasbin do Bonta Dasbin along Varvesi Sai Hemathengno Amat Disposal Cup Kovialang Kangthok Thebajok Nemtu Prangsi do Kokno Sai Hemalong Mithang Ahemason Interior Pen Kido Kithak Japan aning hang hidetma PHE along Sai Keklem Atu Mainte Sai Mo Kyong Ong Aret Ajok Hong An Kedamapor Chilong Lidet Luma Camera person Stefan Teron Rapen Ratis Rongpar Cat News Difu Birta Bangkala Ponsi Kangton Poniglo Lai Bom the Cat News Channel Dumit Hagme Kurang 2